Hey, welcome back. So today we actually have a local member of one of the Jeep groups that we're a part of. Addie brought her 2020 JL and she wants a CB antenna installed. So we volunteered to help out. So it's going to be a fairly simple install. We're going to take the wheel off and it attaches right to the rear hinge bolts right here. So we'll get to it.
Let's do it.
All right, so the hardest part about getting this off is the fact that it's painted, and if you get your, it's 55 Torx, if you get it in there not all the way, you're actually just going to turn it and you're going to strip all the paint off. So what you want to do is get in there and just take like a rubber mallet and just get it in all the way, and as soon as you do that, it should come right off. My personal preference is not take out both bolts at the same time. So what I'm going to do is put the first one back in. So this one does provide you with replacement bolts that I think are a little bit longer. I just don't want to have to deal with alignment after the fact. So that'll make sure that it stays aligned. All right, so just going to tighten the new bolts into place. And now we can install the parts of the antenna. So there's this mount that goes in there from the bottom, it screws in. All right, and then there's a little flex mount that goes on top of that. All right, and then the antenna goes right into there. There you have it. All right, and with that, the flagpole / antenna can be installed. All right, and there we have it.
Oh, and the cool thing is it doubles as a CB radio.
Yeah, so it's a cool one. So she did, I did say that future projects is CB radio, and you would just attach the wire right there and run to the CB radio. Maybe we'll help her out with that some other time.
Now that the heavy lifting is done, watch Dmitry put on the tire.
Perfection. We're good.
And there we have it.
Yep, we got the antenna installed, and at some point we'll probably connect a wire to it, run it all the way to the front for the CB radio. But for now, what's left?
Duck it.
On to the next one.